potatoes before planting them in pots. I use yogurt containers to grow seed potatoes. I need to punch holes in them to allow drainage and water absorption for the potatoes to metabolize. The number of yogurt boxes depends on your needs. Each yogurt box will grow one potato. And we put the yogurt container in the tray to grow potatoes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. I will sprout 3 potatoes corresponding to 3 boxes of yogurt and put them in the tray. To make potatoes sprout quickly and healthy, I will use effervescent tablets mixed with water and put them in the tray. Effervescent tablets are very effective in plant care and propagation, helping to increase resistance and stimulate plant growth, especially roots and shoots. We mix the effervescent tablet with enough water and put it in the tray, because too much water will flood the potato seeds. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. We cover the tray to prevent insects from entering and damaging the seed potatoes and keep them in a cool place. While waiting for the seed potatoes to sprout, I will be repurposing an old kitchen storage bin to grow potatoes. The container is circular and has a quarter cut to make room for the potatoes, so I had to use 2 20-centimeter long pieces of wood to attach to the bottom of the container to prevent the container from tilting and falling. For all pots, we must use a hot air gun to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging of the plants. It also releases air to improve soil metabolism. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. For short-term crops, soil preparation is always important to me because plants often need a good amount of nutrients to grow. So I use organic fertilizer, rich in nutrients, antibacterial, stimulates good metabolism, but is not harmful to people. Mix in the right amount into the soil. After preparing the soil, we put the soil in the container to plant potatoes. Fill the pot with enough soil, leaving about 10 centimeters of the height of the pot to avoid water overflowing into the soil. Then add more soil in the next steps. After 5 days of incubation, the potatoes have sprouted and we have prepared the containers. Now I start planting the potatoes in permanent containers. I plant about 15 centimeters apart between each plant so that later the plant can grow and have room to live. New potato sprouts should be planted gently, avoiding breaking or crushing the sprouts. Plant the potato so that the sprouts are exposed so that the sprouts do not rot or die. After planting, to keep the soil loose, provide long-term nutrition and not erode the soil when watering, I spread rice husks evenly over the surface of the pot. We must always keep the plant moist by watering it regularly with just enough water, twice a day, in the morning and evening. After 15 days, the potatoes have grown healthy, the sprouts are plump and good. Now I will take care. I plow the land, remove weeds if any, make the soil loose, help the metabolism process take place better. To help the plant grow better, I still use effervescent tablets mixed with water to water the plant, helping the plant absorb nutrients quickly. Sesbania effervescent is very good for root development and good for plants. We can rehydrate plants after watering with Sesbania effervescent solution. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After 35 days, the potatoes have grown very well. At this stage, the plants are forming tubers. Therefore, we need to increase fertilization so that the plants produce many large, good quality tubers. Vermicompost is very suitable for planting and caring for bulbs, so I use organic fertilizer for plants. Vermicompost is rich in nutrients, has high antibacterial properties, and is environmentally friendly. After 2 months of planting, the potatoes have grown well. Now let's check if the potatoes are big and numerous. It's amazing that after 2 months of good seed selection, planting and care of potatoes, they have produced a lot of large potatoes that I can now use for daily meals. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.